From studs to drywall, insane transformation inside this build. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you an update on our latest construction project. As you can see, we've moved past the framing stage and we're now deep into drywall installation. The walls are going up nice and clean, with all sheets aligned using laser levels to keep everything straight. We've already completed the electrical and plumbing rough-ins. You can spot the outlet boxes in place, all fully wired, and the PEX plumbing lines are tucked in and secure. We even ran HVAC ductwork, which you can see coming through the utility wall. Right here in the concrete, we had to cut a trench to run some underground lines, and that'll be filled in soon after inspections. Everything is moving according to plan. Next up, we'll be taping and mudding the drywall, then closing up the trench and prepping the space for paint and flooring. So stay tuned, this space is coming together quickly. If you're enjoying these updates, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.